Hey, so check out this new ChatGPT image uh, tutorial. This is about visual domination. You're going to learn how to make mood boards, vision boards, mind maps, sketches to images, thumbnails, infographics, timelines, graphic elements, social media posts and ads, product mock-ups, t-shirts and mugs, and photo shoot replacements. Trust me, right now, prom and even wedding photos for folks that are on a budget, they are blowing up on Etsy right now. It's really a great side hustle. There's wall art, there's invitations and greeting cards. Learn how to make memes and comics, affirmation cards and flashcards, labels and stickers, patterns and websites. And you get all the prompts that you need to make these and all the walkthroughs that you need to be able to do this right now and learn how to upscale this. This is a great opportunity to get this right now, so jump on this opportunity. It's to learn how to use this incredible tool. You've been seeing people post about it all the time. Do it now.